Hey guys, Lex50 here, doing a quick battery service on the Jeep. As you can see here, I just purchased this Jeep a couple months ago and the battery terminals were rather corroded. I got a long trip ahead of me and I wanted to make sure that it is good to go. It's got plenty of juice, but you can see it's seeping out there. So I went and got a little kit here. Ooh, look at that guy. Yeah, he didn't make it. I got the CRC battery cleaner and battery terminal protector, along with some wire brushes. I've got some, but they're pretty chewed up, so I just went ahead and bought them. They were $3, and they were by their cash register, so obviously I'm gonna get them. Anyway, basically, what you do is you take your negative, positive terminal connectors off. You brush off all that junk. I'll probably wear gloves because that stuff can burn you. Then you put the cleaner on. It's yellow. When it turns pink, that means there's battery acid present. Scrub it down with the cleaner, hose it off, which makes me a little nervous putting water on a battery, but I know they're meant to get wet. And then you put the cleaner on again and make sure it's not leaking. You attach everything back up, and then you use that that battery terminal protector sprayed on there, and you should be good to go and attach everything back up. So we'll see how easy this actually is in practice, and stay tuned. I'll loosen that guy. Woo! Remember that part about where I said I'd wear gloves? I probably should actually do that at some point. Get that down there. You want to wear gloves when you're doing this. Definitely want to wear gloves. Ooh, there's a lot coming out. All that junk. What I'm gonna do is lift this off and go dump that somewhere safe. And by safe, I mean the front driveway. I'm gonna go with the stainless bristle. Boom. Probably should wear a mask so you don't breathe this stuff in, because I assume it's not healthy. I'm not a scientist, but I claim to be one on TV. Oh yeah, that's clean. I'd eat off of that. I'm just kidding. I mean, it depends the situation. There's some battery acid over here. I don't even know how that got there. It's weird. All right, that's clean enough for me. I didn't buy battery cleaner just to sit there and scrub all day, did I? Let's see what happens. Oh. Oh, I see there. That's what I'm talking about. Get some of that. Yeah, that's pink. A little bit pink. All right. Next part is scrub again. All right, this, I don't know how this got over there, but that's all turning pink. That's worse than the battery itself right there. I don't understand that, but weird. Weird. All right, let's see. I get some on that little piece there. Try and clean these guys off. It burns! It burns! Should wear gloves when doing this. My fingertips just lost 3 years of their life. All right, now to rinse it off. You can use a garden hose Myself, I prefer Kroger purified drinking water for no reason other than it was next to me. This is weird. I really don't like putting water on a battery. That's what it said to do. I feel like I'm gonna get electrocuted at some point. Get a little water up here. Man, just a weird feeling. I'm gonna get a paper towel and dry that off because it makes me nervous. Everything I've ever learned about electricity says that water conducts it. Putting water on a battery just feels wrong. Be the word I'd use. There we go. Don't ever forget the fuzzy things. Let's see if the horn blows again. Nope, didn't blow that time. Yeah, something's wrong. That's on there. Get it good and snug. Oh no, too snug. I went too snug. Well, that's not good. Just broke that. Huh. Interesting. Hopefully that'll hold. Now, battery terminal protector. Shake vigorously. You know, I got a golf cart and it's covered in this red stuff. I had no idea what it was. Now I know. That looks good to me. There we go, cleaned out. Boom, job done. I don't know if the Jeep will start, but battery terminal's all cleared up. So stay tuned. We'll see if we can destroy anything else on here.